Hey guys, it's Manaya. Welcome to the Manaya Show. Today I'll be showing you how to make the best French toast ever. And what you're going to need is 4 eggs, heavy whipping cream, milk, vanilla extract, cinnamon, sugar, butter, Pam, syrup, or honey. And of course, the bread of your choice. I use a fresh brioche loaf. Most people use stale bread, but I bought it today, so I'm gonna make it today. And all you're gonna need to do is cut your bread, take off the edges, and make it into pretty French toast shaped sticks. It's okay if your French toast don't come out super perfect. This is what your French toast sticks should look like once cut. And after, because I bought fresh bread, I have to dry it out. And you're going to need a wire rack like this one so both sides of the bread can get dried out. Because I bought fresh bread, I'm going to need to dry it out. And to do that, I'm going to set my oven to 285 degrees and let it dry out for 4 to 5 minutes. And while the bread is warming up, we're going to go ahead and make that egg mixture with the 4 eggs, a 1/4 cup of milk, and 2 tablespoons of whipping cream, cinnamon, and vanilla extract. The bread only needs to heat up for about 5 to 8 minutes, but now that it's ready, you're going to have to go ahead and butter up that griddle or pan, whatever you're using, on a medium to high heat. Now you take your bread and dip both sides of the stick into the egg mixture, and you want to make sure it's not too soggy, and then you're going to shake off the excess. And then you're going to go ahead and place it on your griddle or your pan, whatever you decide to use. And just do this again for your next couple of sticks. You only need to fry them about 3 to 5 minutes on each side. And while it's frying, you can go ahead and make your cinnamon and sugar mixture so you can use this to put it on the French toast when they're done. When the French toasts are done, you can go ahead and shake them in that cinnamon sugar mix you made. And you can put as much sugar as you want. You can put less, you can put more. It's up to you. This is your creation. And now that it's done, you can go ahead and add your toppings or whatever you'd like to it. I like to add a little bit of melted butter to give it a little bit of a richer, delicious taste. And I add a little bit of strawberries. A little bit of powdered sugar so it can look sexy on my plate. And don't forget about that honey or that syrup, whatever you use to top it on, and you are finished. Thanks for watching.